Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account with Steam. So let's get started right away. You can do this from both the Steam application and the web browser. But if you don't have the application, then you can simply open up your web browser and then type in store.steampower.com and press enter in the address bar. You will then be taken into the official Steam website. You can either install the application by clicking on Install Steam and then continue the same process within the app, or click on the login button at the top right section. You will now be asked to log in to your account. Now in order to create a new account, just scroll down from the login section and you will find a create an account button. Just click on it and now you will be taken into the sign up page. You will now be asked to enter your email address and your country of residence. Just go ahead and type in your email address and type it in once again to confirm it. Then just select your country of residence from the drop-down menu and then verify your identity by clicking on I'm not a robot. Then underneath, just click on the checkbox to verify that you are older than 13 years. Then click on the next button and then you will be told to verify your email address by checking your inbox. So just go ahead and check your inbox and you will find an email from Steam. Just click on the link within this email and then this will verify your email address. And now your account has successfully been created. You can continue to the login process by entering your newly created account information and then you will be able to sign in to Steam. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account with Steam. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.